Alright, we've got a one bedroom that we're going to be cleaning. This is one that we showed a while back because we came up here and took out some gum and everything. It was in the carpet right in this area. And since that time, the maintenance people have been up here and finished the apartment. We're going to also be doing the floors today. We're not going to make a lot of video on that because it's not that interesting to watch, but we're going to scrub these down real good with the machine. But you can see there's a lot of debris that has to be picked up. And we're going to use the wet dry vac to pick the stuff up because there's so much of it. You can see in the bedroom here. So the first thing we're going to do is vacuum. Here's the door. First thing we're going to do is get these carpets and floors vacuumed real good with the wet dry vac. I don't know if we'll show a lot of that because we're kind of in a rush to get this done today. But anyway, that's going to happen today. We're not going to use the sanitaire. We're going to get the floors done today and do the sanitaire, bring the sanitaire up tomorrow when the carpets don't have any wet footprints in them and everything, and vacuum and do the carpets tomorrow. So today we're just going to do the pre-vac, a little bit of it, and the floor. So stay tuned. We're here to vacuum now. We're going to do the pre-vacuuming with the sanitaire. We went over everything with the wet dry vac and did all the edges and everything, so no Dyson today. And the carpets aren't really great looking, but hopefully after we get done vacuuming we can get them scrubbed out. We'll probably finish them tomorrow because we're getting late in the day. So anyway, stay tuned and we'll do the pre-vac real quick. Alright, we're getting ready to start pre-vacuuming with the SC899. All right, that's all for, we have a small bedroom and a hall to do, but we're not gonna video those, and we're not gonna show a bag dump on this one. That's the pre-vac. We're gonna be having to scrub this really good with the Oric Orbiter. That's gonna be a separate video. And then we're gonna extract it with the rug doctor. That's gonna also be another video after that. So basically that's all for this one. Thanks for watching.